Alright guys, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So by now, you guys probably essentially saw my unboxing of this camera that I got right here. And I'm going to tell you, it was a difficult decision because I was planning to get two new GoPros, maybe like GoPro 8. However, when I decided to kind of, what I was going to buy, I was intrigued by this camera because the simple fact that in a motorcycle, obviously you're riding and there is things that you just cannot do, right? So essentially, in other words, if I want to show you something that way, I have to look that way with my helmet. And in some cases, I don't want to have my face turned that way because obviously safety reasons, right? So the 360 camera is something that is really interesting to me. You could set it up like I have it right now. You guys see it right there. And then you kind of have that front angle. You have the rear, like at least me, you got the front of the bike. And then you can play with the editing after the fact, right? After everything is recorded, you could go home, you could sit down on your couch or on your desk, whatever, and you could edit the footage. And you could kind of hand select what you want, right? Now, that, in my opinion, it's going to come with a cost. It's going to come with time editing. It's going to be a little bit more to edit that kind of footage and things like that. Although, I hear a lot of guys saying that is a walk in the park. And my experience right now is that there is a little bit of a learning thing to do, right? It's not impossible. It's not super difficult, but if it's unknown to you, you're going to have to learn those things, just like the first time I learned how to edit regular videos, right? So, again, other than having that, the fact that we have to learn, that it's pretty cool. You have it there, like it is recording right now. And again, it's just fantastic. I could point it to me, I could point it to the front, I could point it to the side, whatever comes. So I wanted to give it a try. Hopefully it works out. I really hope so, guys, because I spent about $490. I did have a discount code, and I spent about $490. And again, that could have been almost, I don't know how much the GoPro 8 did run by, or 4, but it could have been almost two GoPro 8s. Actually, I think almost there, maybe a few bucks more, or maybe a good, GoPro 9 and then a GoPro 7 or something like that, right? They're always having good specials and things like that. So, again, I opted for this just in the, quite simple, the fact that you just put it on and you're recording 360 degrees around you. I think it's really cool. So, what I want to do is that I want to put essentially my bars so you can see this angle that I have right now. Then I want to put it in my crutch bars so you can see that angle, and I think I want to put it in the back as well so you can see that angle, and then I could see it as well, and then I could decide if I like it or not, right? I think it's going to bring a lot of value to the moto, the moto vlogs. If you guys think that it's kind of cool or whatever, let me know down in the comment section below. Share your opinions, because I'm really, just like you guys watching this video, I'm really hoping that it's going to work. I really do hope that. So, again, let's enjoy the ride, and definitely let me know what you think in the comment section below. I am stopping right here. I want to switch positions right now. See how it looks in the bars. Put it right there like this. And again, this kit comes with all the stuff that I'm showing you right now. I'm seeing a lot of guys doing this one right here. I'm assuming that I need to kind of angle the camera towards me, maybe like this a little bit. And then obviously the other thing is going to be that I can turn it on. If I can turn it on as I'm writing, that's not going to work out. All right, that's recording right there. Man, this is sketchy. I feel like it's gonna if it's gonna break or something. But again, if I don't even know where I am. I can turn it on and turn it off as I'm driving. So obviously I'm going to have to turn it on before if you want it, let's return right here. I'm gonna have to turn it on before I start driving. So obviously I can turn it off. I mean, it will be unsafe to turn that off, right? So if you put it on, you're gonna have to like kind of expect to stop. Let's get out of here. There we go. There's the most beautiful flag ever, baby. Like this position right there, that position right there is for essentially for B-roll. Because like I said, as I'm driving right now, I just can't stop, right? So if you're gonna go on a long ride, which is totally fine, and you put it on, just keep in mind that, you know, it's gonna record unless you have a remote control. And I know some guys use like the Apple remote control, Apple Watch for remote control and things like that. Again, that's gonna work out. But if you don't have that and you turn it on, at this point, it's kind of impossible for me to turn the camera off. So it's just going to continue to run until you run out of battery or the memory card is full, right? So it is what it is. But it will be kind of interesting to see what kind of picture or frame we get out of this one. I'm actually really excited about that. Also, keep in mind, look where it is. So you need a little bit more space between you and somebody else, right? So if you ride, you know, side by side or something like that, that's probably not going to work out. And the other thing that I kind of want to mention is like, it's kind of like, man, I feel like if it falls, you out of $420, I think is the camera when I got it. I paid $490 because I got the motorcycle bundle. But again, you be out of some serious money if that's the case. So again, I kind of put the camera facing me. I'm assuming that's the best way, but really, who knows? I'm going to go through this area right here that is really pretty, and then I'm going to put it in the back and kind of get like a shot from the back, and let's see if that works out. Let's see if that's, you know, it's a cool looking frame as well. Man, I just love this area right here. You don't go really fast, pretty slow, but you see the water right there. It's just a gorgeous. I mean, this is just gorgeous right here. Funny enough, I didn't know this was back here until my good friend Randy took me by here. There is a place right before the bridge, or right after the bridge, that I'm going to stop, and that's where I'm going to change the camera. Alright, here we go. We're still recording. Alright, I don't know how that frame is going to be. I don't think that was the frame that I was looking for. I was kind of looking for more for something behind my tour pack, so you could see the bike. But again, it may work, it may not. Let's check it out. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna go home, edit this out. Hopefully I'm happy with it. What do you guys think? You guys think this add up some value to the motor vlog, or is it something that we just, you know, making it harder, more editing and just more work to do when it's really not necessary? I don't know. You guys let me know. One thing that I'm gonna do though is that I'm gonna switch the camera. I'm planning to record another video, but I'm going to switch the camera to right here to the bars, because I kind of feel more, in a way, I kind of feel more safe with the camera and the bars. Let me park right here. All right, guys, there you guys have it. Let me know what you think. I'm going to go home, edit all this mess out, see if I can figure it out. I share some thoughts about this later on in the future. If the editing was horrible or anything like that, I will let you guys know for sure. But this is what we got. This is what we're working with right now. Hopefully it's really good, because if not, I just wasted my money. Appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.